everybody, I'm back as promised with box 2 of 2019 Finest Baseball. If you didn't watch the break of box 1, I highly recommend that video because it was a really good box. I have my reservations about this one being able to top that, but you just never know. I always wonder that because lots of times I get 2 boxes and I'm always like, which one's gonna be the better? Is it gonna be the it seems like, I don't know, if I went back through all the videos, I think typically it's the first, but there's been a couple of times where the second has just been like insane level good though. So yeah, that first box was a winner chicken dinner. But I'm looking forward to opening this one just as much. As stated in the last video, there are 6 boxes, I wish, 6 packs per mini box. And in box 1, all the autographs were in the last pack of the box, which I actually like that. That's pretty cool. Hopefully it'll be that way here too. Make me wait for it and see and appreciate all the other cards that come before it. Cards this year look really good. Nice design. They have like a circular pattern on the front, where last year's was more boxy, bricky, hard lines, Jackson Pollock-ish, where this is a little bit smoother and, to me, easier on the eyes. I like it a lot, and the refractors look good. So let's look. So Syndergaard, Gallo, a Corbin Burns rookie refractor, Mookie Betts, and Corbin Burns base card. Oh, about dropped it. Haven't done that in a while, but it will happen again. Alright, Bogarts, Tim Anderson, Blue Chips, Gary Sanchez, Billy Hamilton, and Gleyber. Still hoping for a Blue Chips refractor. Alonso rookie, Yadier Molina, Prize Performers, Carlos Santana, Jake Bauers rookie, and Borucki rookie. Alex Bregman, Ryan O'Hearn, Marcus Stroman refractor, a Borucki Finest First rookie insert, and Matt Olson. Steven Duggar rookie, Tuki Toussaint rookie, a Blue Chips Bregman, Javier Baez, and Cano. And last pack, which should have an autograph. Automobile. It is. There's Albies, Scherzer. It is Rowdy Tellez, rookie refractor auto. He's got a good, bold, big signature. So that's not too bad. Man, refractors are just so sweet. I'm a sucker for a refractor. Always have been. Franco and Scooter. And that wraps up mini box 1. Moving on. Let me move Rowdy over there. In the first box, I felt like I got 2 good autographs. Most of the time, I feel like just one of the 2 is good, but in that box, they were both pretty good. I think that Rowdy is decent, so let's see what we do here. Although, there is room for a bigger auto in this box. We shall see. Guzman, Chris Bryant refractor, Byron Buxton purple refractor to 250, Billy Hamilton, and Gleyber Torres. Whit Merrifield, there's Rowdy again, making a second appearance. Blue chips, Matt Chapman, Jake Bowers rookie, and Baruki rookie. Baruki rookie, Baruki rookie. Alright. Cedric Mullins rookie, Trey Turner. Lots of rookies in this stuff. Prize Performers, Goldschmidt, Matt Olson, and Baez. Adames, Arenado, Mitch Haniger refractor, Cano, and Franco. I think overall I can already say that my first box was better with the caliber of stars that I pulled refractors of, for sure. So that box may end up being the winner. The wiener. Martinez, Crawford, Lourdes Gurriel Jr. blue chips. Yeah, the back is identical too. Front and back. It's the same exact insert from the 90s. Scooter and Kepler in the last pack, and the final autograph is going to be Chris Davis, Ostillo, and another Soto? Are you freaking kidding me? This is the finest origins though. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Congratulations. Thanks, Topps. Topps pledges to bring you closer to the game from the past, present, and future. Wow, that is sweet. I love his autograph. I love that you can actually read it. That is glorious. Brian Anderson and Buster Posey wrap up that pack and this box. So yeah, wow, these are just absolutely gorgeous. I still think on the whole box 1 wins it, but box 2 is good. So if you're thinking about getting this, I can tell you from 2 boxes in that it's been pretty solid. I mean, yeah, out of the 4 autographs, I felt like all 4 were pretty good. The refractors look great. Couple inserts, you know, inserts aren't as valuable as they used to be, but you know, that's still pretty cool. There's enough, but not so much that they bombard you and drive the value down too low, like with something like Score. But yeah, on the whole, this edition of Finest delivers just what you want from Finest. So that's my opinion. If anybody gives a hoot, let me know what you think. That's the main thing. That's the main reason I'm here, to collaborate and correspond with you guys. So let me know. Do you love 2019 Finest? Did you buy any? Are you planning on it? Are you just waiting around to see some breaks? This is probably a good breaking product too. I don't really get into breaks anymore because I buy so many boxes on my own, but this could be a good breakers product. Considering how many Sotos I've pulled, you might want to grab the Nationals in a break. Just a thought. Alright, everybody take care. I will have, I've been alerted that some more stuff is on the way, and that should be in the form of Luminance Football, which I gotta check the tracking. May have that tomorrow or the next day, and then Top Series 2 is coming up really quickly too. So we got a lot of goodies to look forward to this month. Everybody take care. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe if you feel like it, of course. Like I said, I'm a nice guy, gal, so not pushing. But if you want to be alerted to the little breaks that are coming up, turn on the little bell thing. And that's it. I hope everybody's doing well, and I'll see you all again soon.